Hey guys, it's Connor Kursavi, the My Little Pony fan here, and this time, welcome to my first My Little Pony toy I review. And this time, I am going to do a review on this baby Alicorn toy that angered the G4 fans for years. Here's for literally no reason. So soft newborn Princess Skyla. So, if you don't know what this toy is, I will explain to you. Hasbro first released Princess Skyla in the year 2012 as a part of the baby pony toy line that's called So Soft Newborn. It's basically a series of these baby ponies. It's where you press on their hooves, so they will speak to you.
I'm Princess Skyla.
Yeah, but that's what they do. And they also do come with this little blankie, but in case if they get sleepy. So, yeah, but I already know I did see this before in my MOPG5 theory video about what Alicorns that we'll possibly see in the Sky Roswell location. But yeah, I know Princess Sky, she had a strong chance at being canon in a G4, all because was in the season 5 Friendship is Magic episode, the one where Pinkie Pie knows Princess Cadence became pregnant, and some G4 fans thought that she was going to give birth to Skyla, but instead it turned out to be Princess Fury, a whole new character. I do think the two reasons why Hasbro had to give if the baby Alicorn a different name, aim, and design, because at the time, Lauren Falls hated the idea of Princess Skyla, so she promised to Hasbro to not make Skyla an actual character her better in G4. And reason B, at the time, Hasbro thought it would be odd to base a character off of a toy that they made years ago. Yeah, I guess I do think these two theories does makes sense. And while I do think Fury Heart was a cute baby, a Alicorn for what she is I do like Fury Heart. Don't get me wrong. I guess I do think the look of this Princess Skyla toy does look okay, in my opinion, compared to Fury Heart. So before I get this review started, and I will show you the original packaging for the toy. I did get this toy off of eBay, and being a brand new copy of it off of eBay, where it was never been opened, and where the seller of it was selling it for about $50. Yeah, that's how much he sold this toy for. Can you imagine paying $50 for this type of toy? for no reason. And, yeah, I know this toy may be a collectible for some fans of G4 who love collecting toys. At least from the previous years. Here's a My Little Pony. So anyways, let me show you the original packaging for the toy. Okay, so here's the original packaging for the toy. I got her out. Yeah, I did devalue it. And as you can see, this toy was actually released before the Hub Network rebranded it as Discovery a Family. Yeah. You can see the My Little Pony logo right here being the old G4 logo. And then the front of this was a recolor of Rarity's little sister, Sweetie Belle. I have no idea why, but they did not bother making a new character design for this packaging. Yep, Hasbro was being lazy at the time when they first made this toy, and the marketing in people who just did not get the memo. They did not go too far with the idea of Princess Skyla. Okay, so it says includes blanket and tiara. The name of this toy is So Soft Newborn Princess Skyla. It says try me right here. Whatever kids see this is on store shelves, else then they will try it out so they can ask their parents and to actually get this. It's for them. But I would say nobody did, or somebody did. This toy is recommended for ages is a 3+. You can see the Hasbro logo right here. This was in this crib style. So let's see the back. Here's what the back of the packaging it looks like. Like this one says, So Soft Newborn Princess Skyla loves to play and sing with you. Make sure she has her blanket when she gets sleepy. Press her foot, she talks and sings. Hi, I'm Princess Skyla. I'm sleepy. And here's a cute picture of this little girl playing with this toy. Yeah, but I'm pretty sure she is sad that Princess Skyla did not become canon in G4. Yeah, you know what I mean. Yep, that's it for the original packaging. I guess I'll show you this as well, the instruction booklet. I will not be getting rid of this instruction booklet because I think this instruction booklet is actually a rare. Yep, I don't want to get rid of this because this instruction booklet is rare. This one says, So Soft Newborn Princess Skyla. To play, squeeze Princess Skyla's pony foot. But she talks in scenes. And there's actually this word is a how can you replace the batteries. I think she does require her to Alicorn batteries included. I don't know if I said that right. I also did not say Warren Falls' name right. I apologize for the ad. This toy was actually made in China. And here's the back of the instruction booklet. You can pause the video if you want to read it what it says. As here's this picture of Skyla. So that's it for this. Now let's move on to the toy itself. Shall we? Okay, so here is Princess Skyla herself out of the packaging. And here's this blanket that she comes with. I will certainly be keeping this because it's actually rare. So well, and then and her tiara. Yep, her tiara is this type of accessory where it does have a moon on it, as well as a heart on the top. My phone's camera is not focusing here. Yep, you can put the tiara on Skyla if you want. Yep, she does look perfect with her tiara on, but let's get the blankie out of the way. Now let's take a look at the Princess Skyla toy like herself. I do think she does look cute, in my opinion. I know some of you may disagree with me on this, but I do respect your opinion on this. I know Princess Skyla never became canon in G4 at all, because Warren Falls was hated at the idea of her, and that's why Hasbro did not make her a character. You can press her little hoof right here so she can speak to you. Here are the lines. Here's what she says.
I'm sleepy. Princesses need their beauty sleep.
Just ignore that sound in the background. It's just my air conditioner.
Can we play, please? Mommy, are you a princess too?
Yep, she's probably referring to Princess Cadence. Yeah. Or maybe she's referring to you. Yeah.
Let's sing together. My little pony, my little pony.
Yep, she's a good singer. Oh, and by the way, not only that, you can move her head. Yep, I do think you can move her head. And she does have those purple wings. Yep, and because she's an Alicorn, you can see her horn right here. And the eyes do look cute. And her hooves, I think her outfit, I guess, that does look that pretty cute as well, and good as well. It has the stars and moons on here, and on the back you can see her wings. You cannot take off of her wings. You can only take off her tiara. And her back compartment is where you could place in the batteries. Yeah. And then here's this tag right here that says surface wash only. And then the other side has the My Little Pony logo and Hasbro logo, as well as the numbers right here. 2203 yeah. Up. Yep. Okay, so I will move before to I move. Let me try again to say this. Before I move on with my final thoughts on this toy, hey, I will show you one more thing about this. Okay, so, but okay, here's this one thing about this Princess Skyla toy. But so back in 2012, after Skyla was first released, there's this one image that popped up. Where I think it's basically a photoshopped version of Skyla. And you see the packaging right here is different compared to the official release. This one has the hub logo, but you can see this picture right here, it does not have the hub logo on it, but it's not a big deal. But it does have this word bubble that says, "Mommy, are you a princess too?" And yeah, for some reason they called her Princess Twyla. Yep, do some of you remember the Twyla controversy, and that this happened after Princess Skyla came out? Yeah, where this image popped up, where it's basically a photoshopped Skyla, where they called her Princess Twyla. And this word bubble says is that Princess Twyla is the daughter of Prince Blueblood and Twilight Sparkle. Why? No, that is the stupidest thing I ever heard. Prince Blueblood and Twilight Sparkle being married to have Princess Twyla. There's no way. Yeah, Twilight, I never talked to Prince Blueblood at all on G4. It was only a Rarity. But Rarity does not want to be with him anymore. Or in the season 1 finale, the best night ever. Yep, this picture, Princess Twyla, it is really a photoshopped picture of Princess Skyla. Yeah. And they also did a recolor of that same picture, or that was on the official packaging. Yeah. Can you imagine and Twilight Sparkle and Prince Blueblood getting married to have this stupid child like Twyla? Yeah. Nobody, no G4 fans would want to see that ad. Yeah, I just had to mention in the ad real quick. So, anyways, it's time for me to give you my final thoughts on this toy, on the Princess Skyla toy. Okay, so here is my final thoughts on the so soft newborn Princess Skyla toy from 2012. I do think this toy actually it does look that good, but in the year 2024. Or does this toy hold up in 2024? I would say maybe, at least in my opinion. Or would you, or I'm probably guessing you would think that this toy doesn't hold up in 2024. But yeah, but we already know that Princess Skyla never became canon in G4 at all. But yeah, but who knows? maybe Hasbro would think about making a Princess Sky will become Commander in Chief for Hive and Sky Ross. As if we do get to see that location in Tell Your Tale Season 2. But I doubt that. That is because I think the G5 writers have no idea that the Princess Skyla toy exists. Yes, despite we have of this one article about it from a few years ago, after Chief or ended. Well, yeah, but I do think it's very unlikely that Princess Skyla would become canon in Chief Hive and Sky Ross and Tell Your Tale Season 2 at this point. Well, yeah, I guess I would say the Chief Hive writers, they would probably not watch my video on this toy. Hey, yeah, I would say the G5 writers are probably not going to watch this video. But so I would give Princess Sky Soul Soft Newborn a 7 out of 10 and 4 stars. Yeah, that's my final rating of this toy from 2012. Okay, so that's it for the video. But just let me know your comments. It's down below. I mean, feel free to tell me your thoughts on this toy in the comments below. If you think this toy actually holds up in the year 2024 or not. Would you want Princess Skyla to be canon in G5? If the G5 writers did know this toy exists, or at least with some of the G5 writers, just tell me just let me know about this in the comments. It's below. Okay, so and don't forget to turn on notification bell so you will not miss out on my future videos like this. Okay, but hey, I will see you ponies and bronies next time. This is Connor Kursavi, the My Little Pony fan, signing out. Hoof to heart.